Enter through the narrow gate. Enter through, for wide is the gate and broad. Enter through the narrow gate. For wide is the gate and broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many enter through it. Watch out for but small is the gate and narrow the road that leads to life, and only a few find by their fruit. Watch out for false prophets. They come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly they are ferocious wolves. But a bad tree bears bad fruit. A good tree cannot bear bad fruit. But inwardly they are ferocious wolves. Every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. By their fruit you will recognize them. Thus, by their fruit you will recognize
good tree.
Not everyone who says to me, do people pick grapes from thorn bushes or figs from thistles?
No comparison. You anything but regular, it's evident. You my healing, you my medicine. You knew me before I knew me, you really been for me ever since. Never lost sight of where we trying to make it. I've been trying to get ahead of it before I go. Crazy all of the places that this life will take you. Lately I've been wanting to make it last forever though.
I need it from you. I want your company.
But only the one who does the will of my Father
What you want from me.
Every good tree bears good fruit, but a bad tree bears bad fruit. A good tree cannot bear bad fruit, and a bad tree cannot bear good fruit. Every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. Thus, by their fruit you will recognize them. The crowds were amazed at his teaching, because he taught as one who had authority. Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter into the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven.
Against that house, yet it did not fall.
Many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name, and in your name drive out demons, and in your name perform many miracles? Then I will tell them plainly, I never knew you. Away from me, you evildoer.
When Jesus had finished saying these things, the crowds were amazed at his teaching, because he taught as one who had authority.
I'd be more comfortable if you say what you want from me. If you say what
Everyone
you
who
want
hears
from me.
these words of mine and puts them into practice is like a wise man who builds his house on the rock.
The rain came down, the streams rose, and the wind blew and beat against the house, yet it did not fall, because it had its foundation on the rock.
Let me spend a time on you. Let me spend a time on you.